Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, Joe.
Today is 6:52 a.m. Sunday, May 28th in Taiwan.
I already been up. I'm just getting my project ready to start working. I'm gonna start editing Paul's videos. Basically, yesterday I posted my vlog, and while we were out doing stuff, Paul was filming for his vlog, and I have to get that done today, right? I should start editing this right away, but I just woke up, I'm hungry, and I want some caffeine, so I'm hoping to get some fucking food, so... I'm hoping that Taiwan 101 is open. So I got my gimbal. I'm gonna walk across the street and hopefully the stores are open. And yeah, just a morning walk before I start editing because I'm gonna be sitting for the next probably 4 or 5 hours until this video is done. Yeah, I have to get it done before we do anything else today. Yeah, one of the reasons why I like where I stay at is because literally we're right across from Taipei 101. The main building, so it's super convenient because you just have food ready to go. And also here's the entrance to the MRT, so everything's like right there next to us. That's its pros and cons, but I like it. Oh, I can cross the street right now. I don't know if the stores are open. I'm hoping they are. Oh yeah, this is something I wanted to share. We're having probably a tsunami on the way. It's actually it's heading towards the Philippines, and it might head over to Taiwan. So the city workers, they tied the trees. So if there was like a strong winds going down, then it protects the trees from breaking down. That's why these things are up. Also, if it's a bit windy for whatever reason, I apologize. I forgot to get the fucking the wind blocker. So bear with me for a bit. I'm hoping the shit's open. If not, then I have to live without caffeine for a while. This is Din Tai Fung. This is the best dumplings in the world. Ah shit, doesn't seem like it's open. Fuck. Yeah. I don't know what time they open. I was kind of hoping something would be open. Bummer. Shit. Here's the entrance. Oh yeah, fun little fact for you guys. Since I basically have this place to myself, it's all empty. There's a movie called The Sadness. It's on Shudder. It's a horror movie. But there's a scene in the movie where the chick, she just gets out of the metro station where all the fucking people go crazy. They start killing each other in the goddamn train. Yeah, there's a scene where they come out of this area, and this is where the filming location was. And I recognize the stairs and that exit. The Sadness. If you like fucked up horror movies, actually Taipei, they actually have a good horror movie, a cinema. There's more I want to check out from them, but yeah, Taipei has some good horror movies. So yeah, this is the area where they filmed that exit. They went up the stairs over there. I think there's a coffee place over here. If not, then I'm just gonna have to walk back because I don't have time to fuck around. And it's probably the reason I got the gimbal, because I knew I was gonna be running around a bit. So it's more running gun at the moment. Yeah, the thing I appreciate about Taiwan is that, unfortunately, I'm sure you go to certain parts of LA or where I'm from, all this shit would be full of homeless people and graffiti, and I'm very sure it would have smelled like piss in a few areas, but this place is super clean and it's organized well. It's actually not allowed for you to eat or drink food on the train. That's a fucking no-no. And I hope, fuck, it's not open either. Oh, yes, it's a fucking store. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, coffee. I definitely need my coffee. Let me get something small. You actually have no idea how much that makes me happy. And there's the top base of Taipei 101. I hope you guys liked that video of me going up there with Paul. That was fun. Alright, like I said, I don't want to give you guys an exact location of where I'm at because I just want to avoid fucking trolls knowing where I'm at exactly. But from Taipei 101, I'm from that area over there. I'll put it that much, right? Yeah, one time actually, I think the first time I went to work with Kyle and Paul, the funny thing is that they were actually live streaming from the Airbnb that they rented out. Actually, yeah, I went with Kyle to Vegas first before I started working with Paul, and he took a system to start like streaming, right? They took their mics and their cameras and all that shit to stream, you know, their lights or whatever. And like they did like their live show, and the Kayo fucking forgot that he had the camera on, and like he was talking to Paul on the phone, and he fucking basically gave like the address of where they're at live on stream. So next thing you know, people fucking were delivering pizzas and all kinds of stupid shit to like the fucking apartment. So yeah, I learned my lesson quickly. You don't want to fucking let people know where you're at, because dumb shit like that can happen. I just want to show you something. I was like, I don't remember this stuff like last time I came. It's kind of like this cool little mural area. Some cool artwork and shit. This is pretty cool. I want to check it out. I think a school was more down that way. Like the structure, the plants and all that here is totally different. And like, yeah, it's very, I don't know. You appreciate the differences that we have here. I mean, like the fact that people are chilling, they have their bikes out here chilling. I mean, that says a lot, obviously. All right, guys. I just need to start working, and we'll get back with you in a bit. Hey guys, all right, so just a quick little insert for this video I'm working on for Pa. So Pa recently got himself a new camera to vlog, so kind of like a quick point and shoot when he's like you know, out doing his thing. So he's been using this camera a lot, the Sony ZV-1. Usually most cameras, say like in the ones that he has, there's usually like built-in technology to smooth out the skin a lot, right? You kind of like, you know, like an Instagram filter, you know, for example, right? Any blemishes or whatever, like the skin gets smoothed out. So that's pretty much what's happening here, right? It's not bad, it's not terrible, but it's just something to keep aware of if you're, you know, vlogging or using your camera. If you want to like keep an eye on stuff like that, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal, right? But just something to keep in mind when you're something I brought to Paul's attention, right? That way, if he looks at it, if he notices it looks kind of like different, then that's mainly the reason why. There's a lot of auto built-in features and cameras, you know, to make you look better or whatever. And along with the visuals, also the audio, the camera he has. Now, usually with waveforms, they're more dynamic, meaning there's a lot of spikes going up and down, right? That's usually how audio goes, right? But the thing is, like, same thing with the cameras. They usually have a built-in technology that has like a real-time compression going on, so it boosts up everything that's low to like a higher volume, and then anything that spikes up, it gets brought down, right? So it gets equalized into the camera itself, right? But it's not using this lavalier mic. This is all from like the camera, so that's why it looks like that. It looks all even because that's what's happening, right? So it actually sounds fine, and for what we're doing, this is gonna save me a lot of time, right? But yeah, if you're filming yourself and you want to have a bit more control of your video in the sense of like color correcting and doing audio adjustment, then yeah, you definitely want to like keep in mind that like your camera could have like a built-in features that it can mess with your image, you know. It can like add some like filters to like smooth out the skin that you may not want. And same thing with the audio. It can like boost up the audio in ways that it sounds good, but maybe you want to have more control in post to like adjust the audio how you want it, right? So it's just things to keep in mind when you're like using that camera. Or if you got a new camera that, you know, has all these built-in like features, right? Like the audio boost and image processing stuff, right? So anyway, something to bring up. All right, back to work. Peace. All right, so yep, definitely finished Paul's video. He actually came over to like the room and like went over it and rendered it out, and it's uploading. But after that, we just like decided to have lunch, and like he found a place like nearby, and it's like a total noodle house. Because we went to like that one curry place that you know, had like very little English, actually no English whatsoever, and like the food was very good. And he was like, all right, he wants to do the same thing. I don't know, kind of to make up for the fact that we went to have like a hamburger. It's like, fuck that, we're in Taiwan. He wants noodles. So yeah, we found a noodle place, so he did, right? And I was like really close by. And yeah, that's the thing about Taiwan that I really appreciate. Like I come here, one, I don't feel like I'm in danger in any way. Also, I don't feel like I'm being taken advantage of or fucked with or like, you know, being ripped off or anything. You know, like everything's pretty, you know, chill over here. You know, Taiwan is definitely a good experience to come and you know, hang out and do business with. I really like it here. So after having our lunch, we decided to like go and just explore a little bit. We found like a park. Walking around, checking out the trees and checking out the neighborhood a little bit. You know, walking around, killing time. So we still have like some free time before we get busy with work. We went to like walk around like the shopping center. Paul actually found like a Studio Ghibli store, and he said like his daughter Hana has became a fan of like my friend Tataro, that cartoon. So we went to check out the store, and it was pretty neat. Yeah, they had like just all the Tataro characters, and mainly Tataro and like the bus cat or whatever. I haven't watched the movie. I need to check it out. And then like we made our way back home, and like I was a bit hungry, so I went to Taipei 101. At the bottom, like they actually have like a grocery store that has just about everything you can think of, and like yeah, they actually have like a bakery inside. And like I remember seeing one of like the breads. I remember seeing the bread there. It was yesterday, and I'm like, oh fuck, I gotta come back and try this out. And like this time, one of them got my eye, and like it's a taro and pork bun or something. I was like, okay, that sounds bomb. Fuck yeah. This one has something else, kind of like a Oreo bagel or some weird shit. I'm like, damn, that's very fucking good looking. And then like, of course, I need to get my caffeine. Cause yeah, I need to stay up. I still need to edit my video. And me and Paul, we're gonna go out and have dinner. Probably around like in 2 hours from now, we're probably gonna go out and have dinner and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll film that also. So anyways, see you in a bit. Peace. And I'm back. Paul made some phone calls and all the good stuff. And like, he actually got a dinner set up with Wendell, his wife, and Luke. Maybe you know those guys. Luke, he just showed up in Taiwan, and he's been up for however long. He hasn't even checked into his room. Wendell and his wife showed up yesterday, I think, for me making this video. So yeah, everyone was pretty tired, and like yeah, also me myself, obviously I didn't feel like getting any more footage because that means I have to edit it more. So the only thing I did take video of was my food. I got a sukiyaki. We went to like a Japanese place here, and it was good. That's the first time I ever had sukiyaki, so it was pretty good. So yeah, nothing else much more to say besides yeah, we had dinner, and yeah, it was good. It was good. But he invited everybody, so he treated everyone to dinner. So obviously Paul's chill like that. And I'm gonna fucking sleep, and I'm gonna cut the video off here because I have to edit this thing still and I have to put it together. It's 9:12 as I'm about to finish filming this part. Fair warning, my videos are pretty ghetto, for the lack of better words. I don't know what else to say, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna get worse in the sense of like, I'm just gonna cut out like fancy cuts or whatever. I mean, I have been mainly to save time, but like, obviously once I start getting busier, I want to be able to keep up my commitment to upload my videos, but like, obviously to get it done in a particular time, I might have to like, skip some steps more than I am already, just to be sure, because yeah, again, once I start getting busy, I'm going to be very busy. But anyways, that's all I have to say. I got to finish this video that you're watching and go to sleep because I got another busy day tomorrow. Thanks again for all your kind words and watching my videos and the likes. I do appreciate it. All right, see you tomorrow. Peace.